firstly, I'd like to compliment the Rural Independent Group for bringing forward this motion, because I suppose it's not fair to say that it's a rural issue, but it's certainly an issue that affects rural and urban people, and it affects young and old people in the SME sector and people trying to even get motor car insurance. According to the CSO, while premiums have reduced by 11% in 2017, since the start of 2012 premiums have increased by 31%, and there has been nobody more vocal on this particular issue than my colleague Deputy Michael McGrath, who has brought forward many motions on this particular issue. Since the publication of the report on the cost of motor insurance, we see that the problem hasn't alleviated in any shape or form. And if you're a young driver in this country, you're always facing huge increases on your premium, and that, of course, is if you're lucky enough to get a quotation in the first place. Minister, we have been for over 12 months now calling for action on the rising cost of motor insurance, and in 2014 motor insurance increased by an annual rate of 11.6%, while in 2015 it rose to almost 30%. In the 12 months in December 2016, motor insurance increased by 12%. They're staggering figures, and it really is no different for people in the SME sectors. I know Deputy McGrath has alluded to it already, but people who are in the SME sector have many burdens when it comes to their overheads, but insurance is one of the biggest burdens they will carry. And I do agree with what Deputy McGrath has said here. Our insurance companies are certainly not being robust enough in investigating these claims when they're made in the first place, and a lot of business owners will find that a payment has been made and a payout has been made without them being notified, questioned, had the opportunity to put forward their case, and I think that is absolutely wrong. And as some of the other TDs have raised here tonight, I mean, it's fraud. It is fraud at its worst or at its best. I'll conclude on that, Corla, but just to support our amendment here tonight, and again to compliment the Rural Alliance Group for bringing forward this motion.
I think that